How's it going, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Sorry we couldn't release the video yesterday, guys. We usually record on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, guys, 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yesterday we couldn't do it just simply because of the protest, all the chaos. So we live across from a shopping center. It was pretty hectic. Sirens everywhere. We just couldn't record. It was impossible. But hopefully everyone stayed safe. You know, if you are out protesting, you know, just stay safe, please. It's been getting a little crazy, so, you know, the health and well-being of everybody is priority. But if you don't know who we are, I am Lando, that is Cindy. Welcome to our channel, guys. We do booster pack battles 3 times a week. Like I said, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays traditionally, but today
a little curveball,
but we're gonna manage. You're gonna get 2 videos back to back almost, so pretty excited. That means more cards we get to open faster, so yeah, that's awesome.
Let's wait.
But I'm ready. I hope she's ready. I feel good. I know gold is in there. I'm ready to go, guys. Today we are opening up 3 or 4 team ups and 6 Rebel Clash, you guys. We're gonna see who gets the best pulls today. Hopefully it's me. I'm looking for gold, looking for that rainbow. I want the cards. I need the pulls. The last couple videos have been a little dreadful for me.
The last one.
Well, that's right. Hype up. We won it, guys.
Oh,
all because of you. I love all the luck and the best wishes. Keep them coming, guys. I am ready. Let's go.
I like how you do a little wrestler
Little flex. Little flex my little muscles. Little flex.
Muscles.
Alrighty, guys. Drink your vitamins. Alrighty.
Says the person who doesn't drink his vitamins.
Hey. They don't have to know that.
I tell no lies.
Alrighty. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I won. She's gonna go first.
It's like you know.
But like I said,
I'm gonna start
let's
with
get some nice pulls today, guys.
My Dollar
I'm ready.
Tree one.
I'm thirsty, guys. I'm drinking.
Okay, let's see.
Usually don't like to drink on the video, but I'm thirsty, guys. I
ate a Pop-Tart. You're okay. Meow. And a Lowland Geodude. Nothing in that one.
Were you like expecting more cards? It sounded like you were about to say.
I forgot that the Dollar Trees are only 3 cards, even though I counted them when I was putting them in my hand.
Oh my god.
I was ready to keep going.
Alrighty, guys.
Don't judge me. Leave me alone. We have Return Label again, a Lowland Grimer, and Brock's Grit Reverse Hollow.
Alright, that's something.
Right.
Something
shiny, I'll take it.
Pretty exciting.
So it's a good sign. It's meant for more.
Yes. Let's see what you can pull.
Today of all days, I need a gold card. Pupitar.
I need a gold.
Joltik. You don't need anything. Blitzel.
I need a gold card. I know it's in there.
Kick in the butt is what you need.
Rude.
For a second, I thought you didn't hear me.
So rude.
It took you like a minute to answer.
Holy cow.
Okay, we have Nanu, Volibee. That's such an ugly card. And Dratini.
Hey, looks like a slug almost. What?
Alright, well that's it for my Dollar Tree
Nothing out of those
packs.
team ups, man.
Now for the Rebel Clash. I feel
let's see what she pulls, guys.
like I'll get the Golden Frostma.
No.
I feel it.
No.
I told you before the video started that I felt it. What do you mean no?
No.
Let me feel what I feel. Let me pull the good cards. No, you're nasty. Straight to PG, guys. We have Energy.
I didn't say nothing.
Halucha, Morgrem, Medicham, Growlithe, Impidimp, Bunnelby, Phantom, Dreepy, Electivire Reverse Hollow, and Barraskewda. Alright. It's okay. I got 5 more packs to go.
Dang, hopefully you pull something.
Me too. That's not something I know this one came out all it's okay. There's that.
She's having trouble opening packs, guys.
I'm too excited. We have Energy, Skuntank, Morpeko, Capacious Bucket, Toxel, Litwick, Lotad, Clefairy, Voltorb, Barboach Reverse Hollow, which I actually might need, so I'll take it. And Toxtricity for the rare.
Alright.
Hey, 2 down. I don't know.
Still got 4 left. Hopefully you get some nice.
I'm hoping. There's that. 2, 3, 4.
Let's see what she pulls, guys.
We have Psychic Energy, Tranquil, Sonia,
We're gonna win.
Pelipper. I hope you don't. Timeful, Vullaby, Galarian Corsola, Toxel, Galarian Mr. Mime, Zamazenta, which...
No, we got it.
The reverse?
Yep, I pulled it.
Yeah? Are you sure it wasn't Zacian?
Maybe.
No, it's one of the doggies. And
Probopass.
I'm in for the reverse hollows today.
We need a little excitement. Come on.
3 more
Get
packs.
something.
You jinxed me.
You jinxed yourself. You called it.
Yeah. It's because I felt good energy and you didn't let me feel good energy. It's your fault. I can't do anything.
Okay, guys, she's struggling. She's getting nervous.
I'm not nervous.
I'm ready to win. Let's get this W.
I should have let you go first.
Why? I won the
I know.
rock, paper, scissors.
Shut
you
up.
got no choice.
Pokeball, Lampent.
Oh my god, guys, the rude. The rudeness.
Pinnacle, Scyther, Vullaby, Dreepy, Magmar, Milo Reverse Hollow. Okay, maybe this one. And I told you I felt
gold. Twin energy,
Twin
guys.
energy.
She got a gold. That looks nice.
I swear that wasn't
Holy
planned.
cow, guys. Look at that beautiful card shine.
So I still got 2 more.
Woo! She got a gold card, guys.
I told you. I told you before the video. I felt it.
Okay. A little pressure on me.
Keep getting smacked.
Oh my goodness, a lot of pressure, guys. I'm nervous now. I gotta pull something
That was so
amazing.
nice.
Let me get a gold card.
That's so nice.
Man.
We have, and not a double, which is even better.
You got
Energy,
one.
Luxio, Dracloak.
Is that our first gold for Rebel Clash?
For Rebel Clash, yes.
Dang.
Tranquil, Impidimp, Shinx, Sandy Gas,
Man, she
Roly
pulled gold. Holy cow.
Stunky, Dan
Dan the man.
Dan the Man, Reverse Hollow, and
Mr. Ryan, you guys. She's got one pull, and it was a gold
and it's
card.
so good.
Oh my goodness.
It's worth it.
Check that out, guys. Oh my god.
I'm not getting any other pulls. If that's all I get, it's a good day.
It's a good day. Gold is gold. Holy moly.
Oh, it's windy outside.
It is very windy.
Energy, Oleana, which I still need in the rare one. Heliolisk, Corsola, Pinnacle, Scyther, Vullaby, Dreepy,
Hey.
Aegislash, Reverse Hollow, which I actually need.
Oh, it's something
And
down there.
There is? No, you liar! Unpheasant.
Alrighty, guys.
Hold
Take
on,
a
guys,
second.
really quick.
We'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. We are back.
Sorry about that.
She had to answer a quick phone call. She
Wedding
pulled nothing but a Twin Energy gold card, guys. The only pull she got
is everything.
There it goes.
Excuse me, sir.
I need 6 rainbows, 18 golds. Let's trump her. Let's finish the binder with 6 packs,
don't
guys.
Trump me.
Here we go. Team up. Here comes gold from Team Up. I'm ready. It's gonna be something nice. Here's the last of our Team Up packs, guys.
Yeah, that's it. Till we hunt down more Dollar Tree ones. Which
But with everything going
might be
on,
a little while.
it's gonna be tough to go look for anything right now. But we're gonna try. Here we go. We got an Ingo and Emmett, Ponyard, and a Alolan Grimer.
I'm taking out
Alright.
energy cards, so if you see me not looking, it's because I'm trying to multitask. I should have done it when I
alright,
should have done
alright.
it. Let me talk proper English.
Here we go, you guys. I'm ready. I'm excited. We're pulling something. We got Rapid Dash,
Oh, look at
Squirtle. That's a nice Squirtle. And Marowak.
Actually, that's a cute Marowak.
That's a nice
too.
Marowak. But it's a Marowak. We've got 2 more team ups left, guys. Wish me some luck. I need it. I need to beat that goal.
No,
I don't know if I can.
Can't.
Let me get the mouth. Let me get the. Let me get the energy. Get out of here.
Imagine if we get 2 gold.
Ponyard. Oh!
Hey, look
Celebi
at that.
and Venusaur
We don't have this
GX,
one.
you guys. Beautiful card.
Dollar Tree betrays me and goes to you lately.
Cow, I just bought one of these. Holy moly.
From where?
Oh, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. Never mind. Let me clarify that. No, I did not.
I was like, where'd you buy it from?
I did not. Thinking of a different card. But we don't have it. It's a beautiful pull, you guys.
It still doesn't go.
But it's a nice one.
It is nice. It is nice, but it doesn't go with.
Rude,
it doesn't go
rude.
with my.
There we go. Energy. Let me get that out the way.
Cute. I don't like.
We got a little Weedle. A hollow Tyranitar, you guys. Nice card. We'll be right back again, you guys, real quick. Alrighty, guys, we are back. I do apologize. Wedding stuff, phone calls, we have to answer them. Wedding's on the go. So, let's get back at it, guys. I pulled a Tyranitar Hollow. Fantastic card. I've got a Hollow. I've got a GX. I need a gold. Let's whoop her butt. Let's show her that her gold is nothing. I'm ready for it. We are going on to our 6th Rebel Clash, and
I
I'm ready.
hope you get nothing.
Oh,
But reverse hollows.
Oh.
And first of all, why do you put Tyranitar in front of my pretty little gold card?
There we go. Code card.
Excuse you.
Excuse you, woman? Holy moly. You're being so rude.
Not me.
Here we go, guys. Forget the energy. We got another energy, though. Capture energy.
Yeah, but we keep
Charge a bug. Shuckle. Trubbish. Pedo. Heliotile. Voltorb. Sandy Gas.
I'm so
Reverse Hollow Zatu. And a Mr. Rhyme. Holy cow.
1 pack down.
1 pack down, you guys. Let's see if what is this? Cinder Race can give us some luck. I don't know, for some reason I kept wanting to call him Score Bunny.
What did I pull the gold card out of?
Here we go, code card for you guys.
At the artwork in the front. When you edit the video, tell me.
There we go. We got a hat trim.
So I can remember.
Curse shovel. Yeah, maybe. Let me pull something. Let me get a gold. Come on, I need a gold.
No, you don't.
Give
I
me
swear,
something
if you
nice.
Get a gold, then I
Reverse Hollow Corsola and a Hollow Dragapult. Alrighty.
Not a gold.
Not a
That's
gold.
okay.
Something that we have, but nice nonetheless.
His OCD's kicking in.
Yep, it's kicking in. It's kicking in, you guys. I'm sorry. But we've got 4 more packs, you guys. I'm pulling stuff. It's just not the stuff we want. Let me get that gold. Here's a code card for you guys.
You know, I will only allow it if it's the Frostmoth, only because I really, really want it.
I want to pull them both.
Really,
Here they come. Here they come, you guys. I know I'm pulling gold.
But the cat is ugly.
Bronzer. Yeah, it is. Toxel. Applin. Jorumaka. We got a reverse hollow Squovit. And a Snorlax.
I like it. I like
it.
I like
guys,
it.
3 packs left. Let's get some gold. Let's get some gold. We need it. We need it. We need a beat, Cindy. Here we go. Code card for you, lucky people. Hopefully we can get something nice here. We've got an energy that's going on.
I feel like you've got enough niceness. You don't need any more.
No. Carkle, Beware, Skyla, Mailsuri, Growlithe, Impin, and wish me some luck, guys. I need it. I need to pull something nice. We've got the reverse hollow Yamask and a Provo Pass, you guys.
2 more packs. I might win.
Oh my goodness,
I
guys.
might be in this one.
2 packs, guys. Oh my goodness. I need gold, you guys. Bless me with some gold. We need it badly. Here goes the code card for you guys. I don't want to go out like this. She pulled nothing and then gets all gold card, you guys. Oh my god, here we go.
Because that's all I needed.
Oh no, Luxio, Durant, Nose Pass, Wingle, Coffee, Bronzor, Toxel, Reverse, and Reverse Hollow Chandelier, and a Garbodor. Oh my god, you guys.
I called it.
I'm not beating that gold. Last pack, you guys. I need something amazing coming out of this.
If you hear fireworks in the background.
Here goes a code card for you guys.
Where we live, it's 4th of July comes early.
For reals, this whole weekend has been nothing but fireworks. But energy going over there. We've got Galarmine, Bronzong, Metapod, Stuffle. Come on, please. Give me gold. Sheiks, Sandygast, Reverse Hollow Magikarp, you guys.
No.
Come on, let's get gold, you guys. And a hollow Hattering, guys. I pulled nothing but hollows. Holy moly. Let me give you guys a quick recap of what we pulled today. Here we go. We've got the Hollow Twin Energy. Sorry.
First of all,
Gold card Twin Energy. It's a beautiful card. It's nice. Then we pulled a Celebi and Venusaur GX.
That is nice too. I'll give you.
That's a beautiful card, you guys. We've got a Hollow Dragapult. We've got the Hollow Tyranitar, which is pretty cool.
Also a nice card.
We've got the Hollow Hattering, which is alright. Which we have. But that was it, you guys. That's our video for today. We pulled gold. Cindy won this one, but we'll let it happen. You know, it's one for the binder, so we're happy overall. Again, guys, stay safe.
Yes.
You know, stay healthy. Make sure you guys look out for each other. Say love you to your loved ones. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let us know what was your favorite pull from today. It might be the gold card, but you never know. It might be the Celebi and Venusaur.
What do you mean?
That was a nice card. I'm just saying.
Excuse me.
Show some love. But again, guys, thank you guys so much for everything. Hopefully, you guys have a wonderful day. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.